The secret ingredient is love. The secret ingredient is love is a common saying that emphasizes the importance of putting love and care into whatever we do. It implies that the quality of what we create or achieve is enhanced when we do it with love and passion. In cooking, for example, the phrase suggests that the food tastes better when it is prepared with love, care, and attention to detail, rather than just following a recipe without any passion or enthusiasm. In other areas of life, the saying could mean that the work we do, the relationships we build, and the goals we pursue are more fulfilling when we do them with love and passion. While love may not be a tangible ingredient that we can add to a recipe or task, the attitude of love can make a significant difference in the outcome. It can enhance our creativity, motivate us to do our best, and help us overcome challenges. Ultimately, the secret ingredient is love reminds us to infuse our actions with care, passion, and enthusiasm, to create a positive impact in our lives and the lives of those around us. Why to have the attitude of love in our activities? Having the attitude of love in our activities can have many benefits. Here are some of the reasons why it's important to approach our tasks with a loving attitude. It promotes creativity. When we approach our activities with love, we tend to be more creative and innovative. Love opens our minds to new possibilities, and we are more likely to come up with unique and fresh ideas. It enhances our focus and productivity. When we do something with love, we tend to be more focused and engaged. We become fully immersed in the task at hand, and we are more likely to be productive. It helps build better relationships. When we approach our relationships with love, we are more patient, understanding, and compassionate. This can lead to better communication and more fulfilling relationships. It promotes positivity. Love is a positive emotion that can uplift our mood and help us stay motivated. When we approach our activities with a loving attitude, we are more likely to have a positive outlook and be optimistic about the outcome. It helps us overcome challenges. Love is a powerful emotion that can help us overcome obstacles and challenges. When we approach our activities with love, we are more likely to be persistent and resilient in the face of adversity. In summary, having the attitude of love in our activities can lead to increased creativity, productivity, better relationships, positivity, and the ability to overcome challenges. How does love enhance our focus and productivity? When we approach our activities with a loving attitude, it can enhance our focus and productivity in several ways. Love increases our motivation. When we love what we do, we are naturally more motivated to do it well. This motivation helps us to stay focused on our goals and to work harder to achieve them. Love reduces stress and anxiety. When we approach our activities with love, we tend to be less stressed and anxious. This allows us to focus better on the task at hand and to be more productive. Love improves our concentration. Love helps us to concentrate better on what we're doing. When we approach a task with love, we are fully engaged in the present moment, and this helps us to focus more intently on what we're doing. Love enhances our creativity. When we approach our activities with love, it can lead to greater creativity. Love helps us to think outside the box and to come up with new and innovative ideas. Love promotes a positive mindset. When we approach our activities with love, we tend to have a more positive mindset. This positivity can help us to stay focused and motivated, even in the face of challenges. In summary, love can enhance our focus and productivity by increasing our motivation, reducing stress and anxiety, improving our concentration, enhancing our creativity, and promoting a positive mindset. When we approach our activities with a loving attitude, we are more likely to be productive and successful in achieving our goals. How to have attitude of love in our daily life? Having an attitude of love in our daily lives can help us to cultivate more positivity, joy, and fulfillment. Here are some ways to develop and maintain a loving attitude. Practice gratitude. One way to cultivate a loving attitude is to focus on the things we are grateful for. This helps us to see the positive aspects of our lives and to appreciate the people and things around us. Show kindness to others. Being kind to others is a great way to express love and compassion. Small acts of kindness, such as giving a compliment, holding a door open, or offering help, can make a big difference in someone's day. Be present. When we're fully present in the moment, we can approach everything we do with more intention and care. This can help us to be more focused, productive, and attentive to the people and things around us. Practice self-care. Taking care of ourselves is an important part of cultivating a loving attitude. When we prioritize our own physical and emotional well-being, we can approach our daily activities with more energy and enthusiasm. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive outlook is key to developing a loving attitude. Focusing on the good things in our lives, having a sense of humor, and practicing self-compassion can help us to stay positive even in difficult situations. Practice forgiveness. Forgiving ourselves and others can help us to let go of negative emotions and cultivate more love and compassion in our lives. It can also help us to maintain positive relationships with the people around us. In summary, having an attitude of love in our daily lives involves practicing gratitude, showing kindness to others, being present, practicing self-care, staying positive, and practicing forgiveness. These practices can help us to cultivate a more positive and loving outlook on life. Benefits of bringing love during our actions. Bringing love into our actions and daily lives can have many benefits, including improved relationships. Approaching our actions with love can help us to build better relationships with the people around us. It can help us to communicate more effectively, be more patient and understanding, and show more compassion and empathy. Greater sense of purpose. When we bring love into our actions, it can help us to feel more connected to our values and sense of purpose. This can give us a greater sense of meaning and fulfillment in what we do. Increased creativity. Love can help us to tap into our creative potential and come up with new and innovative ideas. When we approach our actions with love, we tend to be more open-minded and flexible, which can lead to greater creativity. Reduced stress and anxiety. Bringing love into our actions can help to reduce stress and anxiety. When we approach things with love, we tend to be more relaxed, calm, and centered, which can help us to feel more at ease in our daily lives. Improved well-being. Love can also have a positive impact on our physical and emotional well-being. It can help to lower our blood pressure, improve our immune system, and increase our sense of happiness and contentment. Increased productivity. When we approach our actions with love, we tend to be more focused, engaged, and motivated. This can lead to increased productivity and greater success in what we do. In summary, bringing love into our actions can have a range of benefits, including improved relationships, a greater sense of purpose, increased creativity, reduced stress and anxiety, improved well-being, and increased productivity. By approaching our daily actions with a loving attitude, we can create a more positive and fulfilling life for ourselves and those around us.